Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Syed Ali. So this is lecture 2 on translate or transformation of the coordinate system. So we have done translate triangle ABC 2 unit left and 3 unit up. So one of my students asked that can we draw this translation or how to draw it on the graph. So connecting it to the previous video, we can see that we have A, B, C coordinate of a triangle which is drawn in red. So you can draw it on the grid paper 0, 0, minus 2 and minus 2 and minus 3 and minus 4. And you learned that how to get the transformed triangle coordinate. So 2 unit left means 0 minus 2, that is minus 2, and 3 unit up means add 3 unit. So we add 3 unit to 0, so it becomes 3. So for each coordinate ABC, we find out A dash, B dash and C dash according to the given transformation or translation. 2 unit left, 3 unit up. 2 unit left means minus 2 in the x coordinate, and 3 unit up means add 2 to the y coordinate. So 2 becomes 0 because this is 2 unit left. So 2 minus 2 is 0. But minus 2 is 3 unit up. So minus 2 plus 3 becomes 1. So third point is C. C is minus 3 minus 4. So minus 3 minus 2. 2 unit left. Minus 2 is minus 5. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So we locate all these A dash, B dash and C dash on the grid paper, and we can see that how the points or the coordinates are translated. A translated to A dash, B translated to B dash, C translated to C dash. And the triangle A dash, B dash, C dash is translated form of the given question. So I hope you understand this. And now the next question for this video is find the missing value, find the missing vertex of a triangle, join the points in order, then find out the area and perimeter of this rectangle. So it's a rectangle they are saying, and the coordinates are given. Coordinates are minus 1, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 4, minus 4, and missing is this one. So one of the vertex is missing. We know that rectangle has got 2 sides equal, right? So we can see that now 3 of the coordinates are given, and we have to find out the 4th coordinate. So when you draw it on a grid paper, you can see easily that what is happening. Minus 1, minus 2. So this is my minus 1. I will take a bigger size so that it is seeable or drawable easily. Minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2. So this is my minus 1, minus 2. This is my A point. And then I go to 4, minus 2. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And again minus 2. So we can see that how much it moves on the x-axis. Who will tell me how much it moves on the x-axis? So this is my minus 1, minus 2, right? This is my minus 1, minus 2, and this is my 4 and minus 2. So how much it moves on the x-axis? So you can check on the grid paper. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 unit. It travels 5 unit to the right, right? It travels 5 unit to the right. That means plus. And if you see, this is your x coordinate minus 1, and if you see that minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So we are good with this x coordinate, right? Now we have to see y coordinate. Y coordinate for these two are same because it's a rectangle. So it has to be in line, right? It has to be a horizontal line. So third coordinate is 4 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This point is 4 minus 4. Now, who will tell me how much we travel on the y-axis? How much we travel on the y-axis? On the grid paper, you can see that 2 units we travel, right? We travel minus 2, right? So now we have to locate this point. How much I have to travel from here to here for x coordinate? 5 units. So I will travel 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am somewhere here, right? And how much I have to travel on the y-axis? You can see here I have to travel minus 2. So I will travel 1 and 2. So this is my point. And we know that rectangle has already 2 sides equal. So what we travel here, we have to travel the same here, right? But in the opposite direction. So that means this should be minus 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Very good. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. And how much I travel here for the y-axis? Minus 2 and minus 2, right? So that is minus 4. So now my missing coordinate is known, that is minus 1 and minus 4. And that is your answer, right? You find out the missing coordinate with the help of the grid paper and with the help of the translation theory, that how much we travel on the x-axis, how much we travel on the x-axis, and how much we travel on the y-axis. So we travel on the x-axis from here to here is plus 5, and we travel here to here minus 5 to make it a rectangle, right? So when we travel minus 5 here, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. And from this point to this point, I have to travel minus 2. So already I am at minus 2. When I go minus 2, I got minus 4. So this is my missing vertex of the triangle. Join these points. We already joined these points in the graph paper, and find the area and perimeter of this rectangle. So what is area? So area of the rectangle is length into width, right? So how many units length is? Length is 5 unit, right? So 5 unit times width is 2 unit. So my area is 10 units, square unit. So this is my area. Perimeter. So what is perimeter? Sum of all the sides, right? Sum of all the sides. Or you can say 2 times of L plus W. What is L? 5 units. What is W? 2 unit, right? So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. So my perimeter is 14 unit, no square, right? This is linear unit. Perimeter is always linear unit. So this is my area and this is my perimeter. Now we will review it one more time so that you guys can do it by yourself. It can be any picture, any geometrical shape, can be a square, can be a kite, can be a rhombus, but we have to see how to draw or how to find out the missing vertex, right? So what we did is we have all these 3 coordinates and one of them was missing, right? So we have to draw it. So we actually draw it and we see that how much. Before drawing, you can also do it, that how much this x is traveled, right? This x is traveled 5 unit, because when you add minus 1 plus 5, it gives you 4. So from here you know that your x travel is plus 5. But for the to get the unknown coordinate, you have to subtract it, because you have to go other way on the x-axis. So you got that number, that is 5. And the other number, which is y coordinate, you can see that y coordinate, here y coordinate is same, but here it has traveled, right? So 4 minus 4, minus 2 to minus 4 is minus 2, right? You go down, minus 2, right? So how to get the unknown coordinate? So you have to travel from here to here. That will be your y coordinate, minus 2, of course. Minus 2 is minus 4. This is minus 4. And how much you have to travel from x coordinate, which is here 4, and you have to move 5 units left. 5 unit left means minus. So 4 minus 5, which is equals